Hey guys, it's Miss Lacey, and welcome to your sketchbook project. This is step 3, cutting your cereal boxes and your templates for your sketchbook project. Alright guys, it is time for step 3. We are going to be cutting up our cereal boxes. So what you are going to need today is your cereal box, and you are going to need your template cover. Okay, so we'll start off with the cereal box. The first thing you're going to do is take apart the bottom, okay, like you're opening the box upside down or something, and then it's going to go flat. Okay, you're then going to take a pair of scissors and cut along the spine right here. Okay, so I'm going to cut right down the center to make sure that I don't come into the area that I will need for my covers. Okay, and so now I have my box open. So once you have your box open, you can set it aside. We are then going to cut our templates. So everyone has one of these sketchbook cover template pages. Okay, we used it yesterday while we were cutting out our brown paper bags. Now we're actually going to cut this out. It is very important that you guys cut straight and on the outside of this black line. Okay, so unfortunately I actually made a mistake, and this template is not fully 7x9. So please, please, please make sure that you cut on the outside of this black box to make sure it's not any smaller than it's supposed to be. So go ahead and, again, on the outside of the black box, cut as straight as possible, because this is going to be your template for our covers. Okay, so now that I have my template, this concludes the end of step 3. Good job!